Foundations, foundations, foundations. How do you set foundations then? Hey everyone, it's me, Coach Z. I help aspiring and newbie virtual assistants identify their key services and soulmate clients so they can start and grow their VA business. And in this channel, I share Upwork tips, social media hacks, content management related topics, virtual assistant tutorials, and everything remote work. So if this all sounds so good to you, please hit that subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop an episode. And in today's episode, sorry, I felt like I was rapping. So today, I will be sharing with you the 3 key things you need to have in place before you start your VA or freelancing business. So if you're excited to dig in, please smash that like button and let's get started. And if, in case you're wondering, yes, I am sitting on the floor right now because I feel like I need a change of scenery, But anyway, go smash that like button and let's get started. Foundation is so important. No, not makeup foundation, but foundation. Just like your house. If you don't have a good foundation to keep your house up, then it might easily collapse anytime. Just the same with your VA or freelancing business. You need to have a properly built foundation to keep it going. So in this episode, I'll share with you the 3 key things you need to have in place before you start your VA or freelancing business. So if you're excited to dig in, please smash that like button and let's get started. The first key step is to identify your ideal client. You need to build your ideal client profile to help you establish a good foundation for your VA or freelancing business. And to do this, you need to answer this basic question. Who is your soulmate client in the first place? What demography? What industry is she or he in? What does your client believe in? What does your client don't believe in? What is she or he is passionate about? What beliefs does she or he have? And what values does he or she have? Those basic questions will help you really create your ideal and soulmate client profile. It is so important to know who you really want to work with because you will be enjoying working with them. It's like trying so freaking hard to work with the Kardashians when in fact you're more aligned with Taylor Swift. Serving and helping people who are not aligned with you is like eating spaghetti without meatballs and tomato sauce. How sad. It is important to take time to really know your ideal client, to really understand them. Because not only that you will enjoy working with them, but they can potentially become your long-term clients or repeat clients. So first things first, know who you want to serve. Next step or next key thing is to build your offer. It may sound so easy to just create a service, add a rate on it, and you're good to go. Well, maybe that may have worked years ago, but this time, I don't think so. 10 years ago, there were only a handful of freelancers. But since the pandemic, there has been a tsunami of freelancers and you need to stand out. And for you to stand out, you need to have a unique offer. To build your unique offer, you need to know the problem or pain point of your ideal client. Second, you need to nail down or you need to know what solution your service can bring to your client. What makes it even unique and effective? Third, what measurable results can your services bring to your clients? That would make up your unique offer. You need to know the pain point of your client. You need to know the solution that can help them. And you need to know what are the measurable results your service can bring to your ideal clients. That will be your unique offer that your ideal client profile cannot easily ignore. So when you build your offer, make sure to keep in mind those three things that I just shared. Many freelancers would say that this industry is too crowded. Well, it really is crowded if you are still in the general type of freelancers, if you're still in the general zone of freelancers. But if you are more of a niche freelancer or a specialized freelancer, then it's never too crowded for you. So make time, just find time to really build a unique offer, a very irresistible, unique offer for your ideal client profile, for your ideal client. Nope, not for everyone, for your ideal client. That will really help you with your VA or freelancing business foundation. Number 3, the next key thing, the third key thing is setting a strategy both for your business and for your clients' businesses. If you have the offers and you know already the ideal client, but if you don't have a strategy in place, then it may still be a rocky road for you. No, not rocky road ice cream, rocky road literal. So set a game plan. Where do you want to start in the first place? Which platforms will you be focusing on? How would you like to position yourself? What marketing strategies will you implement for your own business? What would make your clients choose you over others? What strategies will you share to them to help them in their businesses? So those are just the key questions that you need clear answers to help you set your strategy both for your business and for your clients. So make sure that this is in place. It's very important to set a strategy. Well, first things first, for your business, where would you market yourself, right? Where will your clients be? Do you want to start on freelancing platforms or would you like to start on social media platforms? You need to decide. And for your clients, you need to set a strategy for their business too. So those are two strategies for your own business and for your clients' businesses. Those are the three key things you need to have in place before you even start your VA or freelancing journey. Okay? I'm just helping you like skip the hard part and really understand what are the important things or what are the important areas that you need to set in place before you start your journey. So again, number 1, build and identify your ideal client profile. Next would be build a unique or signature offer. And third, you need to set a strategy both for your business and for your clients' businesses. So I hope you learned something today. I hope you find this valuable, and if you do, please drop the word gold in the comments below. Share this with your friends, smash that like button, and yes, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any episode. And of course, if you need close mentorship in your VA journey, then my Get High Group Coaching Program is still open for you. You may still enroll. This program will start on December 4th. But if you want private coaching and you want me all by yourself, then my one-on-one coaching program is open for February applications. So all the links will be found in the description below. So thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this episode. Till next video.